In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Fidelity. Whether you're managing investments or checking your account balance, accessing your Fidelity account easily and securely is important. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Fidelity website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in fidelity.com in the address bar. Once the page has loaded, you'll see the familiar Fidelity homepage. This is where you'll start the sign-in process. When you're on the home page, look towards the top of the page. You'll see a login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that button to proceed to the sign-in page. Now that you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your Fidelity account username. Remember to type it in carefully to avoid any errors. If you have multiple usernames, make sure you use the correct one associated with the account you wish to access. Next up is the password entry. Enter your password into the appropriate field. It's crucial to ensure your password is entered exactly as you set it up because it's case sensitive. If for any reason you can't recall your password, Fidelity provides a forgot password option right there on the page for your convenience. Before proceeding to log in, you have the option to make future logins more straightforward by selecting Remember My Username. This option is handy if you access your account frequently from a single secure device. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, it's advisable to leave this box unchecked for security reasons. Once you've double-checked both inputs to ensure they're correct, the final step is to click the Log In button. You'll find it right there on the screen, usually toward the bottom of the login credentials. Clicking this button submits your information for verification. After logging in successfully, you should be directed to your account overview page. This is where you can manage your investments, view your portfolio, and access all the features Fidelity offers. If you experience any issues during the login process, Fidelity's customer service is available to help you. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Fidelity account. With these detailed steps, managing your investments online should be smoother and simpler. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, be sure to visit Fidelity's Help Center or contact their support team. Happy investing!